Hi, this is the first video in a series on how to navigate your way around your QuickBooks file and also to know how to go what each one does and where to go to perform what you need, the jobs you need to do. First thing we want to look at when you go into a QuickBooks file is to go up to your little cog wheel, click on that, and company settings. This is where everything's set up about your company. So the first thing you would want to do is upload your logo and have your company name in there. So not a lot, but just to save that. And your contact information is here. Again, you just click on the little pen symbol, and accounting method, if this has been set up by your accountant or bookkeeper, don't change this one. ABN and the track classes locations is another one that you probably won't need to touch. Okay, next we have the sales invoice, and we will look at this in another video. However, this one is an important one to think about what your terms are on your invoice, so you can actually have those set. Also the delivery method, because you can send it straight away or none at all, and whether you're going to have the shipping on and off. Also, you can have some custom fields, so you can set these up here as well. Custom transaction numbers, discount, and again, you can save that. Products and services, you can decide what you're going to show on your sales invoice. And again, if you want to take ticks off this, that you'll see that later on in the invoice, how that affects it. Default messages, these are for your default messages in your emailing. That's pretty good to have. And especially if they're generic. And email message sent with reminders, and and also your statement. So that's a glance through sales. Purchases, again, you can have default payments, and you can go into the little pen to change it. Also purchase orders, that one's a good one to know if you send those out, and TPAR options for suppliers, so that's the taxable payment summaries that have to be sent out for any subcontractors if you're in the construction industry. And again, a message, to email message for if you're sending out purchase orders. In advance, we have a little bit more probably for the bookkeeper accountant to use. Automation is here. Time tracking, currency, and other preferences. You won't need to go into that area very much. So that's the settings. While we're setting up the custom settings, we can also look at what it looks like to change your invoice. Now, there are different ways of doing your invoice, and one of them, you can't see the choice here, but one of them would be to select import invoice, and you can have that option. And if you contact your bookkeeper or QuickBooks Online, they should be able to help you with that. For here now though, we'll just go to invoice, and you'll see that you can choose different styles, design, change up. You can choose different styles in here. You can make logo edits, not huge, but a little bit. Put some colour throughout it if you want to. Change the colour and change the font, and have a look at what you're actually printing. Okay, contents will get you, again, you click on the little pen to do any changes that you need to do. And that way you can actually go into the invoice and create those. You can also put in, one of the very good things to put in here is payment details, so that the customers know your BSB and account number. And don't forget, we like to say thank you for your business at the end of it as well. So that's, and then there's also, again, you can put your email message and you can tell it what they can pay with as well. Okay, so that is the few things that we can set up at the beginning. And if you have any other problems with this, please don't hesitate to call QuickBooks Online or your bookkeeper who knows QuickBooks inside and out. Thank you.